In there for you.
Thank you, Mom.
Yeah, quickly, Dan's here with some goodies.
Dueling cameras.
Yeah. Doing
Oh, wow.
brought Beth up something from one of his viewers.
Thank you, Mom.
2 viewers.
From 2 of his viewers, and that's for Beth.
Yes. 2 of our wonderful subscribers.
I like it.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
So nice. Thanks, Dad.
Yep. And you already got stuff from Ma'am Grace before, didn't you?
Yeah,
Came down
yeah,
to us.
yeah.
We took some stuff.
Yeah.
We took some candy.
Yeah.
Took a
All
bag
the
of stuff home.
clothes,
Okay.
yeah.
This is extra stuff that we found for you.
Wow.
A nice bag and a dress.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay.
We're going to get over here because I wanted to turn around and show you that Dan and Don
Yeah.
are
So,
both here.
We got another box from a guy named Mr. Anon. Okay? Mr.
Okay.
Anon. Mr. Anonymous. He
Oh,
wants to be called Mr. Anon. So we call him whatever he wants. He sent this up for you guys. Well, I'm sorry. This is also, I think this is from, I'm not sure if this is from Mr. Anon or from Grace. They're both from California, and that's the only place you see C's candy.
yep.
Wow.
So one of them sent that to you.
Oh, Kati.
Thank you.
I'm assuming Grace, because she sends a lot of C's
Yeah,
candy.
thank you so much. Wow.
Did you grab that yellow bag there, Don? Oh, man, get your hands full, too. Okay.
It's Christmas again at the
Look at that giant
Metzler.
bag there for you, Beth. Oh, this is all from Mr. Anon.
Oh,
Beth's not feeling too good today. She came out. She was sleeping.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
wow. So many. Wow.
Kind of neat package in there, too. I don't know.
Yeah, the way they got it packaged up here. Yeah, Beth will tear it apart. Yeah,
Kind of neat bubble wrap.
that's
What
a,
is this? Air?
Yeah, air wrap, yeah.
yeah, it's a bubble
There's
wrap.
a glass jar in there protecting all your stuff. It's cool. I'd say it looks like a bubble
Oh,
box.
wow.
It'll actually insulate and
It's got a lid and everything on it.
keep the temperature
Neat.
low.
I want to.
Oh, Snickers! Candy,
Cool.
candy,
Wow,
candy.
thank you so much.
Even opened up on you.
Oh, I got some.
we gave Don. We shared some
Oh,
stuff with Don
wow,
too.
spaghetti.
Spaghetti?
Thank you.
But you see what's inside there? There's some special American spaghetti sauce to go with it.
Oh,
Peanut
wow.
M&Ms. Wow.
Peanut
I like those.
M&Ms.
Your
I
favorite.
know you like those. Want to set your stuff
Oh,
down?
wow.
Oh,
Thank you.
Parmesan cheese. That's something you don't find here. There you go.
So nice.
Just for the
Oh,
spaghetti.
is that
Oh,
right?
yeah.
Prego, that to me, that's about
Yeah,
the best.
that's very
Yeah.
that you can
Wow.
Very good. That's tomato sauce.
tomato sauce, yeah.
Wow, more even.
Wow.
More M&Ms.
That's new packaging of the regular M&Ms.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, I was looking at it before too. I was wondering what kind it was, and because we saw some down in Tübingen with different colors. They had almonds and had what was the other one? Coffee or
Coffee-
something?
coffee,
inside of them.
Wow.
Mocha.
Oh, wow. Wow, good.
Wow.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh,
So much.
There you go.
Oh, wow, more.
Yeah, they love their chocolate.
oh God, yeah.
Sure.
Wow, thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I like
Wow.
the box. That's even cool. And
And,
some fancy candies in there.
Yeah, C's famous old-time candies, and these are
Wow.
expensive
Your name.
candies.
Once you open it
Very
up, see what
nice.
kind's in there too.
Oh, yeah.
You've had those before too. Those are really good. Really rich. There's one on the other side too.
Wow.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Hello.
Fancy
Whoa,
candies and
so
bars and everything.
special.
Wow. Look at all
Wow.
the caramels.
Look, let me.
Hey, what?
Very nice. Yeah,
Wow.
that's top of the line stuff there.
I like it.
Cool.
This is different.
Oh wow, very different.
Looks like a caramel.
Kind of a multi-pack thing, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Caramel and coconut. maybe?
Caramel looks like very soft.
With like
Yeah.
a marshmallow.
Oh,
Hey,
marshmallow,
hey, hey.
yeah. No. No,
Wow, thank you.
Oh, I'll tell you, they'll do anything to get at food here. Trying to get at the rice that's up here.
Wow.
Come on,
Tastes good.
come on down.
Thank
Oh, you're very welcome. That's my subscribers know you guys because you're on so many videos. And
Oh, yeah. Yeah, thank you much. Thank you much. I know this video.
Ma'am Grace says she also watches your channels too. So.
Yep.
And,
yeah, they know all of us. So, yeah, thank you very much. And we really
these are the
appreciate
stable
everything.
foreigners here.
I apologize for taking so long to get out here, but I wanted to wait until your road dried out good.
Yeah, we couldn't come up here in the mud.
Oh, no, and it's dry now.
Yeah.
It's pretty bumpy, but it's at least dried out
But what I was saying,
quite a bit.
These are the stable foreigners here. We got Philip is stable, Don's stable, George is nice and stable.
Yeah, we're not part of the crazy
That's why
crowd.
we come up here because it's such a nice
Do you have
environment.
this one?
Do we have something like
Yeah.
that? Yeah, I'm sure there's something like that at our house too.
Okay.
Yeah. The box was full of that kind of stuff. Pastor Tim got 3 boxes of stuff.
Oh, wow.
White chocolate.
Chocolate nugget.
Yeah.
White chocolate nugget.
Tastes good?
You
Yeah,
usually
so
don't see
good.
those
Good
except for
special?
Christmas time.
Oh. All right. Well, that's all I got. I just came up to say hi to Beth and Philip, and we took a tricycle ride. I drove the tricycle halfway up.
No, good.
My first
Good.
try. Yeah, it was interesting.
Well, I'm going
I
to say
passed the
goodbye
Range Rover-
to all
Range
my
Rover
viewers
Diesel,
and that. Thanks for viewing. Like and subscribe, and go to Dan and view Dan's channel, Blind Owl Outdoors. And of course, you know Beth's channel, Philippine Expat Country Living.
Channel, Philippine Provincial Life, a Foreigner's Wife.
Wow,
She has her own
Philippine Provincial Life.
Philippine Provincial Life, a Foreigner's Wife. Yeah.
That's Murphy's.
Yep.
Dan's wife's
She's
channel,
got
so
645 subscribers. She's trying to get to
1,000.
she's trying to get to 1,000 so she can
Okay.
subscribe. And all the money she makes from her channel is going to go to her projects.
Oh, good.
Help
Good.
feeding kids and
I can only eat a little bit of
Good.
sweets.